All right, hey everybody. I'm sorry the sun is behind me. There, it's really bright. But okay. So your final presentation. I'm just gonna go over this again. You're gonna click to this final presentation link, and you're just going to click Final. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create your thread. So you're going to say whatever your name and final. Then, do you see this little button right here, Browse My YouTube Videos? So this is the step that actually Heather Russo had written down, but then I had accidentally deleted. So I'll see what I can do about that, if I can somehow find that back for you. But once you have, so you take a picture of, take a video of yourself, and you have to save that video to YouTube. So you have to use your UNE YouTube or a private YouTube, because that's where the video, this little Browse My YouTube Videos, that's where you access it. So what I did is I used my phone. I videoed myself, and then I had the saved or uploaded the video onto UNE's YouTube. Once it was there, I clicked this little thing. I hit Browse. It's going to ask you which account, and remember, I put it on my UNE account. And then it's going to show me all the different videos that I have. So, for example, if I wanted to insert this one, I'm going to go Insert. You're going to hit Thumbnail and Insert. And there it is. And then you're going to push, sorry, I'm getting another email here. Then you're going to push Submit, which I can't push. There you go. And then you'll see it. Now, again, the part that I don't have for you is the how to download that or upload that video. But here's one thing I want to say. If you are having trouble with that, please come see me or ask myself or Morgan or anyone else who you see who can do it successfully. It shouldn't be that hard, but here's the thing. You have to put it on YouTube. You can't put it as a Word file. You can't put it as an MP4 file. It needs to go on YouTube, and every UNE account has YouTube attached. So I hope that helps. Please have that, what did I say, by the 7th, like by Tuesday, so that people have until Friday. I have to have all grades done by Friday because I'm going out of the country on Saturday. So next Saturday, the 12th. So make sure that you have your video up by Tuesday so that people can comment. All right, thank you.